Hello everyone, this video is to tell about free Kindle book offer for my book titled AI Tools for Teachers. Okay, I provided these links, Amazon links in the description of the video. You can check that. Okay, to open that, you can find that this book is selling for zero, right? So free offer Kindle book for the Kindle book. Okay, it is applicable for today and tomorrow, like October 14th and 15th. You can make use of this opportunity to get it for free. Okay, it will be useful for teachers. Suppose if you know any teachers, you can just tell about this offer to them. You can just share that link with them. Okay, actually I provide the link to the amazon.com site as well as amazon.in site. Suppose if you are in some other country, just to go to your country specific Amazon and search for my name Rajamanikam and Nimuthu to find the book. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask them through the comment section. And moreover, if you are interested in getting one-on-one AI coaching, I'm offering it right now. Okay. I provide that AI coaching for very affordable hourly charges. Right now, I'm just charging 700 rupees in India or $10 globally. Okay. It is just a limited time offer only. You can visit my blog blog.qualitypantech.com and click this one-on-one AI coaching that link.